Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to your Wix e-commerce website. Customer reviews build trust and credibility, helping potential buyers make confident purchasing decisions on your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, showing you various options for managing your website. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the website where you want to add products and reviews. It's important to verify you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. You'll typically find this button beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing your site's appearance and functionality. From here, start by locating the Add Apps button on the left navigation panel of your editor screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to expanding your website's capabilities with various integrations. The Add Apps window will expand, revealing a list of all the apps you can use and integrate with your Wix website. At this point, locate the search bar within this window and type in product reviews. Then hit Enter. You'll see several results appear, so look for the app with the description "Display your reviews to win more customers." This is the official Wix Product Reviews app. Click on it to open its details page. You'll now be directed to the product review page. Scroll down and take some time to read through the app's functions and features. This will give you a clear understanding of what the app offers and how it can benefit your e-commerce site. You can also check out user reviews to see what other Wix users think about the app, along with the app's pricing and plans to determine which option works best for your business needs. Once you're ready to add the app, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Add to Site. A permission window will appear, outlining what access the app requires to function properly on your website. Read through the app permission request carefully to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable with the permissions, click on Agree and Add at the bottom right corner of this window. The app will now start its installation process. This might take a little while, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation has finished, your product reviews widget will be automatically added to your Wix website, ready to display customer feedback and boost your sales. You've now successfully integrated product reviews into your Wix e-commerce site, giving your customers a voice and building trust with potential buyers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.